glass is one of the most desirable building materials in modern times. To expand, when it comes to designing a structure that is both energy efficient and aesthetically pleasing in equal measure, glass is often the answer. No matter whether you be an artist or an architect. The use of glass as a dominating material is one of the features that developed recently. Quite a few glass buildings have taken birth over the years, displaying breathtaking beauty and outstanding innovation. So today we're counting down our picks for most amazing infrastructures made out of glass. Number 10. Hotel W, Barcelona. Spanish cities are not just known for their medieval architecture but modern constructions as well. The W Hotel, located on the coastline of Barcelona, is an ideal example of the advancement of modern architecture. Designed by Ricardo Bofill and finished in 2009, this 5-star hotel is covered by glass which transmits the natural light. The hotel is designed in the model of a sail, which earned it the nickname Hotel Vela, and provides the guests a spectacular view of the Mediterranean Sea from behind the glass walls. Number 9. 30 St Mary Axe, London. Known as the Gherkin, 30 St Mary Axe is one of the tallest structures in London. Designed by Norman Foster, its construction was finished in 2003. Most of the building is covered with thick glass panels, which enhances the use of natural light and temperature. The building, which has 41 floors, uses much less energy for its activities compared to similar structures. It received the Royal Institute of British Architects, RIBA, Sterling Prize in 2004. Number 8. Alda Headquarters, Abu Dhabi. An amazing sight that rises is a disc-shaped glass and steel edifice in Abu Dhabi. This wonderful example of structural glazing is a commercial headquarters, and there is plenty of historic local symbolism embodied in the design. Inspired by ancient Greek temples, it is at once a symbol of eternity, of unity and stability, and it's safe to say there is nothing else quite like it anywhere in the world. Number 7. Mercury City Tower, Moscow. The Mercury City Tower is a part of the Moscow International Business Center architectural complex also known as Moscow City. The skyscraper designed by architects Mikhail Posokhin and Frank Williams opened in 2012. It stands at 339 meters above the city and has become an iconic landmark. The total floor area of a 75-story building is around 180,000 square meters, half of which is occupied by Class A+ offices. More than 20,000 square meters are used for luxury apartments with far-reaching views of the city. Number 6. Heartland 66 Office Tower, Wuhan. This skyscraper is located in the heart of the city's business and financial area, and it is the second tallest building in the city with 339 meters high, behind Wuhan Center which has 438 meters. It has 61 floors and was originally intended only for business offices, although inside you can also find a shopping mall. Offices are provided with all the necessary utilities in a luxury working environment. Moreover, building complex design incorporates in the surrounding areas of vegetation, providing a fresh air breath for non-stop business people. Number 5. 85 Sky Tower, Taiwan. Situated in Kaohsiung, the building is utilized as a location for retail shops, offices, and apartments. The tower is sustained by 2 raised podiums, making it prong-shaped, the shape of it being inspired by a pagoda. An opening in the whole structure is formed by a wide gap in the central part, making the architecture very distinct. Number 4. The Shard, London. Designed by Renzo Piano and completed in 2012, the Shard is one of the youngest buildings on our list and the tallest skyscraper in London. The glass facades are angled to reflect the sunlight, so the appearance of the structure changes depending on weather and lighting conditions. Number 3. Raffles City, Chongqing. Raffles City Chongqing is the part of the 8 high-tier buildings. It is located adjacent to its twin the Raffles City Chongqing. This building is part of the most expensive project built in China, proudly standing as number 1 in height in Chongqing. Its erected structure is slightly tilted from the middle, covered with translucent glass and aluminium panel. The house of the retail shops, apartment and spacious workspaces along with spa and pools. The total area on the ground covered by these buildings is 817,000 square meters. Number 2. Shanghai Tower, Shanghai. What stands out in the Shanghai sky? the giant 491.9-meter high tower, which is the second highest in the city. It has a characteristic structure designed jointly by the American studio Kohn Pedersen Fox Architects and the Chinese East China Architectural in 1997. Something that is remarkable is a huge rectangular hole in the upper part, which was initially designed in a circular shape, and which gives a sensation of lightness. Built of concrete inside, it contains a hotel, several offices for the financial and banking sectors, and 3 fine viewpoints, the last of which is the open-air skywalk 100 at 474 meters above the ground. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is a spectacular skyscraper that rarely needs any description. Not only is the height of the tower that is spectacular, but also the sustainable and creative solutions that have been used to power it. Most compelling evidence of that, Burj Khalifa is smartly reusing condensated water with one of the world's smartest systems of its kind. Not only it is the highest building in the world, but also an architectural marvel. We can all look up and appreciate the craftsmanship of architects and engineers' work. Glass is a wonderful material that is all too often overlooked in anything other than windows, and each of the above 10 largely glass buildings offers a glimpse of what can be done if a little thought and